Hi everyone, welcome back to Devnath English TV, your favorite place to learn English the fun and easy way. Today I'm bringing you 50 powerful daily use sentences that will help you speak confidently in real life, whether you're at home, school or work. So, get ready to learn, speak and have fun as we practice together. Let's get started.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I am eating breakfast.
I am eating breakfast.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Please sit down.
Please sit down.
Open the door, please.
Open the door, please.
I like this book.
I like this book.
Let's go for a walk.
Let's go for a walk.
Close the window.
Close the window.
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
I am going to school.
I am going to school.
I am feeling tired.
I am feeling tired.
Please bring me some water.
Please bring me some water.
What is your name?
What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
My name is Sarah.
This is my friend.
This is my friend.
I love my family.
I love my family.
I am happy today.
I am happy today.
The weather is nice.
The weather is nice.
It is raining outside.
It is raining outside.
I am watching TV.
I am watching TV.
Please turn on the light.
Please turn on the light.
Let's have lunch together.
Let's have lunch together.
I am reading a storybook.
I am reading a storybook.
Please write your name.
Please write your name.
Wash your hands before eating.
Wash your hands before eating.
I am going to bed.
I am going to bed.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
I am doing my homework.
I am doing my homework.
Please be quiet.
Please be quiet.
Let's play outside.
Let's play outside.
I am learning English.
I am learning English.
Do you like ice cream?
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
Yes, I love ice cream.
I am feeling sleepy.
I am feeling sleepy.
Don't be late.
Don't be late.
It's time to go home.
It's time to go home.
I am feeling hungry.
I am feeling hungry.
Please close your eyes.
Please close your eyes.
I am drawing a picture.
I am drawing a picture.
I am writing a letter.
I am writing a letter.
Let's sing a song.
Let's sing a song.
I am listening to music.
I am listening to music.
It's time to take a bath.
It's time to take a bath.
Let's drink some juice.
Let's drink some juice.
I am going to the market.
I am going to the market.
Look at the stars.
Look at the stars.
I love playing with my toys.
I love playing with my toys.
That's it for today's lesson. Now it's your turn. Which of today's English sentences was your favorite? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video and want more simple English lessons, hit the like button and subscribe to Devnath English TV. Don't forget to tap the bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.